Thank you and welcome to the Homebuyers Benefit Plan Overview. We appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedule to be with us, and I promise you it will be time well invested. If you were working either in the real estate or the mortgage industry between 2002 and now, I'm sure you will agree with me, the industry has changed. What I am going to discuss with you in the next 20 minutes is what has changed and how you can excel your business by simply implementing our proven Home Buyers Benefit Plan into your business. Now, our goal in this overview is to provide you with a proven business tool that will give you a competitive edge. When you hear the word business tool, you normally think of a way to help administrate or manage your business like a CRM or a mortgage loan origination system. You don't really relate to a tool as a tangible way to increase your sales or close more loans. This is where we are different. I'm going to talk to you about a way that will allow you to bring more value to your clients. Now, other than just selling your client a home, what if you could bring additional value above what you normally do that would make them a client for life? Also, that additional value could help you build a stronger referral network. Everyone needs more qualified referrals. Our program will help you build a stronger referral network of qualified leads. All of these additional features of our business tool can help you significantly increase your sales. Everyone who has been in this business for a while has accumulated debt files. Customers who could not qualify for a home loan. What if you could dig into all those dead files, reopen them to help your past customers qualify for that mortgage? What if you could resurrect just 10% of your customers and put them into a position to either sell them a home or refinance a home within the next 90 days? What would that mean to you as far as newfound income? It could be substantial. Now, before I show you how to accomplish this, I want to discuss some financial facts Americans are facing and how these facts are affecting your business. Here are a few economic challenges families are experiencing today. First of all, 43 million Americans have FICO scores of 599 or less. The recession of 2008 damaged millions of families' credit scores, and your FICO score is your financial DNA. It follows you wherever you go. Now, a great credit score is an asset that can save and make you money. A poor credit score is a liability that can cost you thousands of dollars annually in high interest payments on the money you borrow. So how does the challenge of your customers' poor credit affect your business? Well, lower percent of approved mortgage loans and less sales. Now, here's another economic challenge. Long-term debt is the number one cause of the lack of household cash flow. Your customer's debt affects debt-to-income ratios when qualifying for a mortgage. Also, the lack of cash flow in the household puts a lot of financial stress on paying your bills on time. Also, unemployment and underemployment is still rampant among American families. It's causing major cash flow issues and is really affecting your business. Here's another economic challenge. Home sales are still down across the country and out of reach for millions of Americans who once enjoyed the pleasures of home ownership. Now, these economic challenges are playing havoc on your business. Lost opportunity and lost sales. The big question is, why are so many Americans struggling? We are still the greatest economic power in the world, so why are so many people financially challenged? Now, why is this happening, and how do you overcome these obstacles in your business? For many Americans, the answer is the lack of financial literacy. Our educational system has failed us miserably. Do you remember being taught how to manage a checking account in high school? Did you learn the difference between a checking account, a savings account, and a CD? How about ways to properly manage your money? Where do you save, and how do you save, and how much you should save? Did you learn about qualified plans? Probably not. Did you learn how to leverage your income to make money? How to use the bank's money to make money and invest your money where they invest their money? Of course not. Did you learn how to protect your family from financial loss? Did you learn how to properly manage your debt? Were you taught ever how interest rates affect the compounding of your debt? Did you learn about how credit works and how to build a strong, positive credit profile? I don't think so. And then, how about how to properly purchase a home or a car? And so much more. I will guess you weren't taught about how money works. This is why many financial experts are saying our financial system has failed us miserably. Now let's talk for a minute what all this means to your business and the challenges you need to overcome. Now, we briefly covered earlier how the real estate and mortgage business is more competitive than ever. From 2002 to 2007, real estate was a booming business and many millionaires were created if you worked in the industry. Now, there were huge pools of qualified buyers. You remember that? Everyone and anyone that literally could breathe and fog a mirror qualified for a home loan. The market was booming, and as you probably experienced, it all came to an abrupt end in 2008. That huge pool of qualified buyers drastically shrunk, yet there were still millions of licensed real estate and mortgage agents still vying for a much smaller pool of business. Another point that needs to be made is as home values continue to recover from the crash of 2008, you need to know your market and ensure homes are priced properly. Different geographical areas price houses differently. You need to understand what price ranges sell better than others and how to market them effectively to sell fast. The bottom line is this: in order to excel in your industry today, you need more qualified buyers, referrals, and profitable closings to offset your increasing expenses. Everyone is looking for more qualified buyers, more referrals, and profitable closings. It's not getting any cheaper to compete in this industry. So how do you overcome these challenges? Well, first you need a cost-effective sales strategy to be successful in your highly competitive industry. Our program is a tool for your business, but not like any other tool you've probably used before. It's a financial roadmap, a GPS, and an overall financial strategy to help you actually close more loans and sell more homes while bringing exceptional value to your clients. Now, the next thing you need to do is separate yourself from the competition and bring more value to your clients than just selling them a home. A uniqueness. Now, what would it mean to your clients if you could bring tremendous monetary value to their pockets by introducing them to other financial strategies outside of your expertise and help them get their financial house in order? Would that value possibly help you build a stronger referral network? I would think so. Then you need to find a way to improve your closing ratio of possible buyers. With our financial tool, you can greatly increase your closing ratio. Here's a question for you. What percent of your prospects each month do not qualify for a mortgage due to credit issues? 5%? 10% or more? Just think about that number for a moment. What would improving this ratio mean to your earnings? The last challenge I want to cover is your need to find cost-effective ways to consistently increase your referral network of qualified buyers. Now, the solution to these challenges is the Home Buyers Benefit Plan, and the foundation of this plan is the FES Protection Plan, an array of financial services that every family needs to put their financial house in order and help you significantly increase your closing ratios. What you're about to see is a brief video outlining the features and benefits of the FES Protection Plan, a financial tool every family needs and can give you the competitive advantage among others in your profession. For the cost of a premium cup of coffee a day, your clients can increase their purchasing power and restore their credit utilizing the protection plan. Enjoy the video.
Today, more than ever before, we live in uncertain economic times, and the way we do business is changing rapidly. It's evident that we as individuals must take complete control and responsibility for being better prepared to handle our personal credit rating, financial position, and our family affairs. Unfortunately, as youngsters, the majority of us were not provided the knowledge or essential tools to understand the importance of a credit score, or how valuable that credit score would be to accomplish just about anything. At the same time, how many classes did we have on limiting and managing our debt, or the significance of protecting our identity, assets, and family? Concerning, isn't it? Did you know, over the course of your lifetime, having less than excellent credit can cost you upwards of $1 million in substantial interest rates, fees, and other unnecessary charges? Or that currently 4 in 5 credit reports have errors on them causing lower credit scores? Or how about that 43 million people have a 599 credit score or lower? The majority of individuals think just paying their bills on time will give them the best credit score possible, and don't realize there are 5 factors that determine a credit rating. Were you aware that your credit score could play a role in determining your car, homeowner, and other insurance premiums? Nearly half of all Americans don't even know their credit score, and many more don't monitor their credit reports. Did you also know an employer can review your credit score and credit history and use that information as part of determining whether to employ you or considering you for a promotion? Having less than excellent credit leaves you with little to no control of making major decisions or purchases, such as buying a home, a car, or other important necessities, or even renting an apartment or obtaining a credit card. While having a 750 or above credit score gives you powerful control over your financial position and the freedom of choice when making significant decisions and purchases. Don't you want that? How about this? The American average household debt exceeds $225,000, yet those same households have less than $500 in savings. Is that a secure financial plan? How alarming is it to you to know that every 2 seconds an identity is stolen? What are you doing about that? And then the majority of us, maybe because we haven't gotten around to it or we think it's too costly, haven't yet established a will, trust, or power of attorney. Not having these critical documents in place means you are leaving your children, family, assets, property, and finances at serious risk. And consider this. There is over $58 billion in unclaimed life insurance policies, bank accounts, pensions, stocks, and other assets and property because when someone passes away, their beneficiaries have no idea these things exist or where to locate them, leaving loved ones burdened to search for answers. Is that your plan? Have you heard enough? Is that a big enough wake-up call? Are you ready for the best and most affordable solution? And if the answer is yes, would having an excellent credit score while securing your personal and financial affairs be worth about $3 per day? Well, at Financial Education Services, an A-plus rated company with the Better Business Bureau, we certainly believe it would. And since 2004, we've been helping people significantly increase their credit score regardless of their past credit challenges, while providing a systematic approach to eliminating debt and ensuring that individuals are protecting their identity, assets, finances, and family. We call it the FES Protection Plan membership, an array of vital services with a major focus and emphasis on significantly increasing, maintaining, and protecting your credit score. Our country top to bottom is now built on credit. Credit to buy a home, a car, to rent an apartment, to lease anything, to get a phone, to turn on your gas or electric. Credit to determine your interest rates, insurance payments, and other financial obligations. Credit to gain employment or keep employment. We all live on credit. We all need credit. And all that credit revolves around one thing, a credit score. So are you tired of paying more than you need to because of your credit score? Are you being turned down for home loans, refinancing, automobiles, credit cards, and other opportunities because of your credit score? Let's change that. You see, as an industry leader specializing in credit restoration, we utilize the latest technology to ensure fast, accurate service and assisting clients in deleting inaccurate, erroneous, and obsolete items such as late payments, collections, foreclosures, repossessions, bankruptcies, medical bills, student loans, tax liens, or any other derogatory item on your credit report. And of course, if these items are deleted, that's going to be a huge boost to your credit score. This leads to approval and better rates on mortgages, refinances, and automobiles. No or low interest on credit store and gas cards, lower rates on insurance, and positive results for employment, business, and career opportunities. You'll have 24/7 online client portal access, regular updates on the progress of your credit file, as well as live interactive coaching from our credit experts. You'll also have access to Positive Credit Builder, helping you to maximize what's on your current credit profile while building positive credit habits and receiving guidance for adding impactful positive trade lines. Then you'll be utilizing Debt Zero, which helps you to pay down your debts in a more timely, effective, and efficient manner and swings your credit limit ratios in a major way, adding extremely valuable points to your credit score. In addition, if necessary and appropriate, you'll be provided with a credit attorney who will represent you in dealing with the credit reporting agencies, creditors, and debt collectors to ensure the best result in the quickest manner. This legal counsel is at no additional cost to you, as it's all part of your membership. You'll also be provided with 24/7 credit monitoring, enabling you to track the progression of your credit score as these credit-related services are being implemented, while consistently managing and overseeing your credit reports. This is extremely important to the success of your overall credit process. Finally, We take great pride and effort in helping clients build superior credit scores, and many of our clients see their scores go from the 500s and 600s to the 700s and 800s. And once you've achieved a result like that, the last thing you want to happen is to see that credit score destroyed because of identity theft. Therefore, to preserve and secure your credit score and good name, you're provided with premier identity theft protection. The best part is, with our entire complement of credit-related services and our proven effective process, we've seen documented results for major improvement in credit scores in as little as 60 to 90 days. Now, on top of all these credit-related services, the Protection Plan will also safeguard your assets, family, and finances with an all-inclusive will, trust, and power of attorney estate package called the MyCare Plan, as well as an organizational tool called Financial Lockbox, which safely stores all your personal and financial data to be readily available for the person you choose in case of an emergency. Being prepared with these critical services is the best way to ensure you and your loved ones are cared for in any circumstance. Another excellent advantage of being a Protection Plan member are several considerable savings discount benefits, including travel, shopping, prescriptions, and insurance options. We certainly believe every family in America needs a Protection Plan membership. And while the products, services, and benefits within this elite membership could add up to thousands of dollars in costs, the Protection Plan membership is offered at a low monthly payment of only $87. And you get the gratification and pleasure knowing each month you are contributing $2 to the Youth Financial Literacy Foundation, responsible for educating students on credit and financial matters and providing hundreds of thousands of dollars each year in college scholarships. So imagine, you can have a Protection Plan membership providing you the opportunity for excellent credit, financial control, and peace of mind, all for the same amount of what most people spend on a cup of gourmet coffee each day. Because believe it or not, there are companies and individuals out there offering similar services with fees that exceed $10,000 or that have monthly fees of $99 or more per month for just one service. Now, of course, many people will try to wait for their credit score to increase or for their debts to decrease. But unfortunately, the odds are not in your favor. A high percentage of the times, the negative items you feel will ultimately fall off your credit report don't. And they can stay on indefinitely until you take the appropriate action. We all have good intentions, but until you make a choice to exercise your rights, to regain and maintain excellent credit, eliminate your debt, and secure your personal and financial affairs, the alternative is choosing to ignore an obvious solution and maybe continue to struggle. Understanding that each day your credit score remains mediocre or poor and your debt load remains high is leading to more wasted dollars and more missed chances of controlling your financial position. Our extensive history, track record, and expertise shows us that in 90 days, in 6 months, in 1 year, in 5 years, your credit and financial position will probably still be in the exact same place. Don't wait. Take action. Enroll, because the dollars you invest today to significantly increase your credit score and rid yourself of debt are dollars you can save for many years to come. Take control of your financial future. Contact your FES agent and get your Protection Plan membership started today and begin your peace of mind for the rest of your life.
Now that you have seen the features and benefits of the FES Protection Plan, let's cover a little bit about the company. FES stands for Financial Education Services. They are a nationally recognized financial literacy organization and were formed in 2004. They have an A+ accredited rating with the Better Business Bureau and are 100% debt-free, so they practice what they preach. And over the last 12 years, they have removed close to 1 million negative items from their customers' credit reports and currently service 20,000 plus protection plans nationwide. Their primary focus is to provide financial security to families all across America. Let's review the membership services offered in the FES Protection Plan and how they can give you that competitive advantage to grow your business. The first service is our Signature Credit Restoration Program. If your client follows the instructions of the service, in as little as 90 days, their credit scores can greatly increase. Now, there are other companies offering just the credit restoration service for $99 a month. That's more than $1,000 a year just for credit restoration alone. The next service offered in our protection plan is Smart Credit, a credit monitoring service that notifies your client by text and email whenever anyone is accessing their credit information. Now this service could cost $25 a month or more if they were to purchase it separately somewhere else. Then there's Identity Theft Protection. Our plan offers LifeLock at no additional cost to your client as part of our membership plan. Now I have heard that LifeLock sold separately can cost anywhere from $10 to $50 a month. Now next there is MyCare Plan. Talk about value. The MyCare Plan is an all-encompassing living trust, power of attorney, both medical and financial, and a living will. If your client were to purchase these services outside of our protection plan, it could cost them $1,500 or more. Then there's Debt Zero, our debt elimination system to help your clients systematically pay off their debt fast. This service alone could cost up to $50 a month. And here are a few other services included in our protection plan. We offer a credit attorney service. If your clients need the assistance of an accredited attorney, one can be appointed to them at no additional cost. We offer a document lockbox, an online secured portal where your clients can store all of their medical and financial documents to be easily accessed anytime and anywhere. Then there's the Positive Credit Builder. Your clients may be just starting their credit history or need to rebuild their damaged credit. Our Positive Credit Builder will teach them how to build and maintain their credit the right way. There are a few other benefits offered in our membership plan, such as a prescription discount card and a travel and discount shopping portal your clients have access to for a total of 13 services in all, and we're adding more value services every year. Now all these services are included in the FES protection plan and individually could cost over $400 a month and thousands annually if purchased separately. Now, the FES Protection Plan membership is a monthly fee of just $87, and there is no monthly contract. Members pay as they go. In 6 months, if a member's credit is repaired and they have their living trust completed and have no other need for the service, they can cancel at any time with no penalty fee. It's entirely up to them. The FES Protection Plan is the only membership plan of its kind anywhere. Now, let's look behind the curtain to see how your client tracks their progress and manages their services. After your client enrolls into the protection plan, they receive a website to set up their services and track them 24/7. When they log into the website, they will see, "Are you ready to improve your credit profile?" They just click on the "Yes, I am ready to get started" button, and they will be forwarded to the next window. Now they will be directed to verify their identity. Once your client completes and submits the questions, the next window will show their credit reports. All 3 credit reports will appear showing their credit scores. It's called a soft pull inquiry, so it does not affect their credit scores. Here your clients will begin the credit restoration process by reviewing their credit history. Next, let's cover how your clients track their progress. Now this screen is your client's dashboard, the brains of the system. Here they can manage all of their services in the membership plan. Let's briefly run through the dashboard and start the credit restoration process. On this web page, your clients begin the actual restoration process by sending in their verification documents to FES. The first step for your clients is to watch the Getting Started video. The video explains the process and what to do first. Once they watch the brief video, they click the brown box in the upper right-hand corner and register. After they register, the next screen directs them to what documents they need to send to begin the process. This screen tells your clients which documents they can use for the identity verification process. Most people use their driver's license and social security card. Just place these items on a white piece of paper, take a picture of the documents with your smartphone, and email them to the address to the right. If they don't have a smartphone, they can take a copy of the documents and either email or send them by mail to FES. The next step is to look for the credit bureau dispute letters from FVS. Once your client receives the dispute letters from FVS, they need to review them, sign them, and mail them off to the credit bureaus listed on the instruction sheet. In approximately 30 days, they will receive the responses from the bureaus. Their responses then need to be reviewed, copied, and then emailed or mailed to FVS to make the necessary adjustments so your clients can track their progress. The next page shows them how to track their progress. Now that FVS has their dispute responses from the credit bureaus, your clients can track on this summary page their credit restoration progress. They can review the original accounts on the credit reports, accounts deleted, and disputes still in progress, and they can do this 24/7. Now at any time, your clients can view their updated credit scores through their Smart Credit portal. If they have any questions about any service whatsoever, they can contact FVS at any of the numbers listed to the right. Real quick now, let's go back to the original dashboard to view how your clients access all of their services. These are the main services your clients receive for enrolling as a member of the protection plan. First, we just went through the credit restoration portal. Next, you have Credit Builder that helps you build your credit. Then if you need an attorney, a credit attorney will be appointed. Then there's Smart Credit, which is the monitoring service. You have My Care Plan, which is a living trust and will. You have LifeLock as theft protection. You have a Debt Zero debt elimination system. And you have a financial lockbox that you can store your documents. All of these, again, are all included in the membership plan. So in summary, what does all this mean to you? Well, you will bring more value to your clients. You will close a higher % of sales and loans. You will build a strong referral network. And it has been proven that you will significantly increase your sales. And remember, we're partnering with you to help you build your business and close more sales at no cost to you. So, what's the next step? You can invite your past, current, and future customers who need our services to one of our financial literacy workshops to get their financial house in order. Now, here is the agenda of our workshops. Your clients will learn how to become a credit-worthy customer. They'll learn how to eliminate all of their debt, including their mortgage, fast. They'll learn how to significantly increase their household cash flow and learn how to leverage the bank's money to make money. And finally, they'll learn how to build their retirement nest egg and receive tax-free income. Plus, any topics you want to cover about purchasing or refinancing a home. And here are a couple of other options. If you have a very busy schedule and cannot attend our workshops, the agent that referred you to this webinar will be glad to meet with you and your clients in a one-on-one setting. Or, if our program is not suited for your clients, maybe you can refer other agents to us that may need our services. We hope you enjoyed the presentation, and if there is anything we can do to partner with you to help you close more loans and sales, be sure to get back to us, and we look forward to the opportunity to serve you.